Welcome to the Charter and the Changemakers Kit. The aim of the Charter is to contribute to the further development of local youth work. It does so by stating which principles should guide youth work and how different aspects of it should be designed in order to meet these principles. It states what is needed, but not how and by whom this should be achieved. This needs to be discussed by you, at the local level. Different starting points in terms of traditions, organization, and resources will ask for different solutions in order to make local youth work meet its requirements. Therefore, the Charter is designed as a checklist in which stakeholders can gather and discuss what measures are needed for the further development of local youth work. It is a common European platform and framework for the necessary dialogue on how all young people should get equal access to quality youth work. The key word is dialogue. Sometimes this dialogue will be clear and easy. Sometimes it will be a bit more complicated and hard. The basic idea of the Changemakers Kit is therefore to promote, inspire, and facilitate this dialogue, to help you get started, have good discussions, draw conclusions, and make real change. One of the added values of the Charter is also that it contributes to a common European understanding of youth work, thus facilitating international cooperation and exchange of experiences and good practices. So, what's in the Changemakers Kit and how can you start to use it? As you can see on the start page, it contains many different features, offering different kinds of support and information. You can of course download the Charter in your own language. You can read about the background of the Charter, why it was developed and how. You can do an on-spot assessment of your own youth work reality. You can get new ideas and inspiration through good practices and tools. You can facilitate your discussions by using the guiding questions. You can go to the library to find reference material and interesting reads. You can get suggestions on how to use the Changemakers Kit and how to get started. You will also find all of these different features as links under the different sections and bullet points. Just click on one of the sections and you will see. All these features, including the good practices and the tools, will be continuously updated. So don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter to get the latest information. The Charter points out direction, and how fast and how long we will go will surely vary. Going in the same direction is, however, a big step. Have a nice process. Go for change.